Okay, finally got these two clips on. What was happening is the bottom clip lined up perfect. The top clip would not bolt up properly. It wouldn't snap over. It was just a hair away. So I looked at it behind the motor and the transmission here, where you can see this plate where my finger is. Here's the motor. Here's the tranny plate. Right in here the gap was too large. So I figured out on the back of the motor, which is this part here, there's an input shaft. The coupler that we pounded on the transmission, we had to do the same with the motor, and it has to go in, you know, all the way until it sits flush with the input shaft. If it doesn't go in flush on the back, then you're going to have that gap there. It's going to make it very hard to get this top clip in. So now it's flush, came right together, snapped in. I'm going to install these two little bolts now here. Try to get these started. 1/4-inch bolts. There's my nut driver. So many parts here. Of course I'm going to tighten that up, but just doing that for now. Same thing on the bottom here. Start that by hand. And we'll snug that one up there. Snug that one up there. And now the coupler's been replaced. Now what I'm going to do is line up this input shaft, my finger is here, to the back of the water pump. The back of the water pump here has a little bearing, and that hole has to line up with that input shaft. And once that's on, it'll sit flush right there against these 4 prongs. And once that's in right there, that's about it. All I gotta do now is just put on my clips, one on top, one on bottom, and all they are these little flat T-clips. They go in the hole like this, spin sideways. One clip's on top, and the other one, I don't know how good of a view this is gonna be, but same exact thing there. And that clips on the bottom. So, that's about it. Just double checking, making sure everything's straight. It's close enough, but I'll make sure it's straight before I secure it. And with that being secured, that is the end procedure. And because I got you here, hold on. There we go. There we go. Anyway, that's the coupler install and the motor install. This little piece here comes off with these 2 clips, those 2 hose clamps. Motor pulls out, water pump pulls out, comes right off. Motor's really easy as well. I just installed the coupler, so that's the water pump and the coupler that were both installed. The coupler I did today, water pump I did about a week ago, and it should be working great now that it's all done. Good luck.